Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How have you guys been doing? Hope you've been very okay. I'm able here. So on today's video, I'm going to be walking you through on practical steps of how to download the 1688 account. Have you been finding it difficult to download the 1688 account? Have you been finding it difficult to navigate the account? Or have you been finding it difficult to solve the ban issues and all of that? Well, that's because you did not create a 1688 account the right way. So if this video finds you interesting, please do well to hit the subscribe button, do well to turn on the notification bell, as well as like and share the video. So when next we post more videos like this, you will be part of the first person that is going to watch the video. Okay, so let's dive into the video for today. Practical steps of how to download the 1688 account. Please do well to stay to the end of this video. Do well to watch to the end of this video so you don't make mistake again while trying to create your 1688 account. Okay, so in today's video, we are going to be using simple things like a number. Now, please, for us to create a new 1688 account without issue, I'll advise us to go get a new SIM card, right? SIM card is not expensive. Go get it, it's less than 1,000 naira or 1,000 naira in some areas. So please go get a new SIM card, whether you're in Ghana, whether you're in Nigeria, whether you're in Tanzania, wherever you might be. Go get a new SIM card. Now, SIM cards you've used, even if you've not used that particular SIM card to create a 1688 account before, but you've used it to create an Alibaba account, an AliExpress account, or all these other Chinese sites account on their site, or try using it to buy items like, okay, so please, no, you're not going to be using that phone number again, right? So please go get a new SIM card. Go get a new SIM card. It's not expensive for the stress you want to get later on, right? Get a new SIM card and I will walk you through how you can use that new SIM card to create your 1688 account the right way. Now, please let me walk you through my screen as I show you the practical steps of how to download the 1688 account. Let's go.
Okay, so now we've officially downloaded the 168 app from the official store. Next thing is to register on the 1688 app. Okay, so here opening the 1688 app, here was unticked. So what I did was I ticked it. Just tick here. Just follow me, please. You can screenshot it and go to your Google Translate and know what it's talking about. Or you can use your High Translate. Do you get that? That's why I say Google Translate, High Translate. High Translate has limits, though it's good this way. Just look at what I'm doing. Sorry, look at what I'm doing. You can easily use it and translate on the app. Do you get? But Google Translate, you have to screenshot and go check what is all about on the Google Translate. But there are some too that High Translate cannot even translate for you. So that's why Google Translate, though some persons might say, screenshotting, go to check it, is stressful, but it's best for you because you see everything as in everything on the page, while High Translate has limits of what you can see and what you cannot see. But just follow me step by step, bit by bit, how I do it. So what you do is, first of all, you tick this box. Secondly, you click here. Did you see what I did? See my two arrows? First, you tick this box. Secondly, you click here. So let's not make this video to be long. So let's go. One, I tick on the box. Secondly, I clicked there, which is me. Now let's see if High Translate can translate this page. But if it cannot, you just screenshot it and go to your Google Translate and check what it's all about. So what I do is I take out my High Translate and let's see if it can translate. Okay, yes, let me put phone number. What's here saying? Here is saying, you see, High Translate does not want to translate this. So let's go here. It does not want to translate it, but if it's on Google Translate, you will see everything. So let's go here and see what here is saying. High Translate too don't want to also, okay, just translate, which is quick registration. Let's see what here is. Here is retrieve password. So what you do is click here, quick registration. Are you following? So I've clicked on it. So what is here saying? What is here saying? Can High Translate do the magic for us? It's okay. It's doing it for us. Personal account registration. Let's see what here is saying. Business account registration required for opening a store. Let's see what here is saying. So what you do is you click on the first one. Do you get? You click here. Do you get? Okay, so personal account registration, I've clicked on it. So you have, remember, I clicked on that place that showed +86. You have to change it to a +234, which is Nigeria international format. Do you get? So we're looking for +234. Remember, if you screenshot this and go to Google Translate, you see what it's all about. But since you can see the numbers here, then there's no need. So you just scroll down to look for +234. What we're looking for is +234. +234, which is Nigerian international format number. +234, +234. Have we passed? Okay, look at it here. We've seen it. +234. So I'll click on it. Okay, I've clicked on it. Now you can put in the phone number which you want, remember the phone number you use in registering your Alipay is the same phone number you will use here. Do you get it? So now let me insert my phone number and register. Okay, so as I'm done, what I do is I'll click here, take this box, and then click here. Okay, you can also use translate to see what it's all about. You can use translate to see what it's all about. So what I do, I click here and I click here. Okay, they say they've sent a message to this number that you should put in the digits. Okay, let's wait for the digits, for the number to come. Let's wait for it to come. Okay, so while I'm waiting, let's pause the video so the video will not be too long. Okay, so the code is taking time for it to appear. So what we'll do is to click on get verification code again. So here, this place they're saying now, if you click on it, if you translate it, there is saying get verification code. Do you get? So I'll click on it again to see if they'll still send the verification code again. So while we're still waiting for the verification code, I'll still pause the video. Okay, so no need, the verification code has come. So let me insert it. Okay, so this is it. I've inserted it and this is where it took me to. Okay, so what you do is see here, that box you're seeing up there, just tick it and then you click here. Okay, I've ticked it and I clicked here. You can still check out what it's all about. Do you get? So that is it. I've registered now on the 1688 app. Do you get? So it's loading. It's loading. But if it keeps giving you issue, taking long for another this thing to pop up, so you just remove it and enter the 1688 app again. But mine is it's coming up. Okay, so you can see it. So you've successfully registered with your number on the 1688 app. You can use it to log in through Google Chrome. Do you get? You can log in through Google Chrome. You can log in into the app. So here is how to register on the.
So guys, thank you for staying to the end of this video. You are the real genius, right? So this is the practical way of how you can register on the 1688 site without issues, right? Over time, we teach our students that you can actually go from the Alipay to the Tabwa, then to the 1688, which sometimes seems actually very easy. But there are some people that don't have the international passport. Now, before you register on the Alipay, before you verify your account on the Alipay, you need an international passport. But there are some persons that want to navigate the 1688 app, but they don't have an international passport. So this video is simple and practical. So you can download the 1688, register on the 1688, navigate the 1688 even without the Alipay account, right? So the Alipay account comes in when you want to pay a supplier, because you cannot pay a supplier without your international passport, right? But we're going to be doing videos. For those that have international passport, our upcoming videos, we're going to show you how to register on the Alipay, how to link your Alipay to your Tada and to your 1688 account, and then how to also pay suppliers using your Alipay account, right? If you've not watched our previous video on how to download the 1688 app and how to install it, please check the description box of this video. When you see the link, you can go watch the video, right? Because we did not make mention of downloading and installing it on this video. Yes, because we've done that on our previous video. So go watch our previous video to see how you can install and download the official 1688 app. There are so many unofficial apps there, so you don't fall into the wrong hands, right? Thank you and bye.